3, 2, 1.
Go. Yo. What's up, y'all? It's Patrick Holmes. You know what it is. We are here today to talk about some car business for noobs and intermediate people, maybe some advanced people, but you guys can leave those comments that I'm doing stuff wrong down below. All right, let's go. Today, we're going to be painting our brakes. Okay, supplies that you need are here on my left and here on my right. We're gonna need some clean supplies, some alcohol, some water, some spray, cloth to clean it all off. And then also we're gonna have primer, the color that you choose, and then also gloss at the very end. First thing that you're gonna do is you're going to wanna take off the wheel, obviously by jacking it off. Now, if you don't know how to do this already, I have another video that will show you exactly how you do that. Also, you can look at a bunch of other YouTube videos and you can find out exactly how to take off the wheel. Now, once you have the wheel taken off, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take some wool and you're going to start basically scrubbing the brake caliper and trying to get some just basic dust off. There's going to be a lot of dust and debris that's been going on your brake caliper. You're going to want to get that off. Next, you're going to want to get just some regular water, spray it on, use your cloth, clean off more of that dust, okay? Then you can use some of this spray, just to spray some of that, and then you can get the alcohol at the very end. After you get everything cleaned, cover everything else that you don't want to get painted with some trash bags. So, primer. Now there's a lot of different primers, just any automotive primer. You're going to want to make sure that it's automotive and that's going to adhere to your paint later on. Next, you're going to want to get the color of your choice. I chose red. Now, very important with the paint that you choose, make sure that it does withstand heat up to 500 degrees. Obviously, your brakes get very hot and you want to make sure that your paint can handle the heat from the brake. So make sure you definitely get either caliper paint or paint that can, withstand high heat, maybe up to 500 Fahrenheit would be a good example of that. Lastly, the last thing that you want to do is just put some wheel gloss on it, maybe something just to protect the paint from, again, all that debris that goes on. This is just a clear coat gloss, nothing too fancy, but again, just to make sure that the color does withstand the elements when you're driving and that the paint does stay on your car for longer rather than it getting dirty and later you're going to have to basically paint them again. Ah!
Ooh. All right, looks like we're done. That's how you test the tire. You just hit it a couple times and if it's hollow, you're probably good. All right, brakes on, paint's dry. Been working at this all day. I got tan again. This is Patrick Holmes reminding you to like and subscribe. Have a happy holiday, and don't forget to spade and neuter. Stay safe. I'm gonna go feed the pugs now. Bye.